Hi guys, it's Teresa Giudice and welcome back to Cook with Love. Today I'm making cream cheese cookies, which is not in my cookbook. This is also another recipe that I used to make with my mom growing up. So let's get started.
Oh my God.
I'm not eating them.
Not cooked fully. I'm gonna put them in the Sunday sauce.
Oh my God, stop!
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Where did I snort it?
All right, go up, up, up. So I have all the ingredients laid out. So we're gonna start with the cream cheese right here, and it's been sitting out because you want it to be soft. It's room temperature. So then you mix these three ingredients together. So we have 1 packet of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, and a half a cup of sugar. Okay, so you mix them together just like that. Okay, they're soft enough. Then I'm gonna put in 1 egg. 1 egg. And then a half teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, right here, half a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this together, the egg with the vanilla and the 3 ingredients that are in there already, which is the cream cheese, the butter, and the sugar. And you just fold this in. So now we're gonna fold in the flour, 1 3/4 cups of flour. Yeah, like baking is a different process than cooking. So it's like, I think you need a little bit more patience with baking, but it could be really rewarding. And of course, we know that it tastes so delicious. So it's worth making it. Okay, and then it's 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, right there. And then just fold it in just like this. This is definitely an arm workout. So pretty much all the ingredients are mixed in. So now I'm gonna put the cookies on the baking sheet. And then after I do that, they're gonna stay in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So I'm gonna make the icing while they're in the refrigerator. So now just scoop them up I use like a tablespoon and just place them on the baking sheet. Yeah, they don't have to be perfect. It's like these are homemade. So my mom would be so proud of me. See that? So make sure you guys, if you love any of your parents' recipes, make sure you guys document them and have them. So I'm glad I did this. Never thought I would lose my parents so young. I just put them all on the baking sheet, so now I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and while they're in the refrigerator, I'm gonna make the icing. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the frosting for the cream cheese cookies. So I have confectionery sugar right here, and this is pretty much you eyeball it. So, and I have regular milk here. You can use 2% milk, any kind of milk you want. You can even use almond milk, oat milk, you know, whatever you prefer. So I'm just gonna mix this in just like this, slowly. Yeah, you could see it, it's like perfect. You want this to be creamy, not liquidy. So I think we got it just like this. So that was very easy to make, guys. So now the icing's done. Let's check on our cookies. I just took them out of the refrigerator, but I want to give you guys a cool little tip. If you're in a rush and you don't have the time to wait for an hour, I would put them in the freezer. So, yeah, on my phone. Oh, it's my husband. See, I love this picture of him. Hi, sweetheart.
Hey, babe, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I fell asleep. I just woke up.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's 10:30 here.
Oh, I miss you. How's Barcelona?
The day was amazing. I worked really hard. I started early, and I got back to my room. I don't know when I last spoke to you.
What'd you say?
So I got back to my room when I last spoke to you. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm making cream cheese cookies.
Oh, cool. Everything okay?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, I love you. Let me finish making these.
I love you too.
Okay, I love you. Bye. So now I'm going to bake them in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on them, and then after they come out, we will frost them and sprinkle them. Okay, I think they're ready. Okay. Here they are. Yes, they are. Perfect. Here they go. Okay, so now I just took them out of the oven, so now we're ready to frost them. And you know what? I remember making these with my mom, and instead of like scooping them up in a tablespoon and then pouring them on the baking sheet, you could also roll them up in your hands, because my mom would call them cheese balls. So you could also do that, and then there'll be more of a round shape. Okay. Like that. Like that, and then sprinkle this rainbow sprinkles on top. You could even use chocolate sprinkles, whatever is to your liking. Oh God, it looks so good. Okay, and let me not touch the baking pan, okay. And here are the cream cheese cookies, goditi dolci. That means enjoyed your dessert in Italian. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Can't wait to see you next time.